everyone. We are busy with a series called Follow Your Dreams. So my dream is to learn more about music, and therefore this month I'm going to do a lot of music lesson videos. Please tell us in the comments where you are watching from and what your hobbies are. And so in the previous two videos we've done a circle of fifths for the major scales with the flats. Then we've done a circle of fifths for the major scales with the sharps. And we've done a circle of fifths for the minor scales. Now what we want to do on this next lid that I have here, we just want to combine the three of them into one circle of fifths. So what we need to do is we need to draw in a clock, the clock positions over here. Like so. Then we're going to start here at the top for, we want C over there. That's the 0 point where there's no sharps and no flats. This side generally will have the flats. This side generally will have the sharps. So we are going to fill in the circle of fifths according to the music verse that we have, based on the 7 letters of the alphabet, of the music alphabet, which is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So when you play music, you get a lot of discount. You don't even need to know the entire reading alphabet, A to Z. You only need to know A to G, the first 7 letters, and those will repeat all the time. So we have the verse. Father Charles goes down and ends battle. Then again father, but the F has been used, so we add a sharp. Then Charles, but the C has been used, so we add a sharp. Then we're going to do the flat scale, so we have the F, which has got 1 flat, and then we're going to say that same verse backwards. Now we're going to the left. Battle, it's already used, so we add a flat. Ends, battle ends, and down goes Charles. Okay, so for all of them I added a flat, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, and C flat. The reason is because the plain capital letters have been used already. So the capital letters are for the major scales. Now we're going to fill in the minor scales. I feel like using a red, just so you can see it a little bit more clearly. So to fill in the minor scales, you want to go 90 degrees to the left from the original F, which is at 11 o'clock. So now you're going to go to 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. This is now 90 degrees back, so you skip 2 clock points. So here we have the small f. We're just going to say that same verse again. Father Charles, and we're going clockwise to the right. Father Charles goes down and ends battle. Then we start again at father, but because the small f has been used already, we're adding a sharp. Father Charles, add a sharp, goes, add a sharp, down, add a sharp, ends, add a sharp. So that is your entire circle of fifths. You can put it in your handbag, you can put it in your briefcase, you can take it with you when you travel to learn your scales. So the red ones are our minor scales with the small letters, and the capital letters are our major scales. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson, and I will see you again very soon. Bye bye.